On tonight's news, wind. Everyone who has ever lived on Earth and ever will live on Earth has been and will be affected by wind in some way, as it constantly goes on outside. Wind can be nice because it can cool you down on hot days, but it can be catastrophic and ruin entire communities. Wind isn't only an issue on Earth though, it affects almost every planet. The planet Jupiter is famous for its high wind speeds in dangerous storms, with some storms exceeding 900-mile-per-hour winds. Not many people know this, but actually Neptune has higher winds than Jupiter does, with wind speeds exceeding 1,200 miles per hour on average. This makes Earth wind speeds seem very calm in comparison, because the highest winds recorded on Earth were 253 miles per hour. Wind is very confusing because nobody can see it, so how does it move so fast? Wind is caused by both the Earth's rotation and an unequal distribution of the sun's heat hitting the air. When heat hits the air molecules, they need more space to be apart, which causes an area of low pressure. Due to the pressure gradient force, air molecules of a high pressure area want to flow over to an area of low pressure. This is why cold wind goes to warm places. Because of the Coriolis effect caused by the Earth's spin, wind often goes in the same direction as the Earth's rotation. A windstorm is defined as wind that causes at least some slight damage to trees and other structures. Typically, windstorms are categorized when winds get up to 34 miles or 55 kilometers per hour. Windstorms can last for a few hours or, in worst cases, several days. They can also be accompanied by precipitation, but don't always have to. In desert climates, windstorms can often cause dust storms that make it hard to see or breathe in the area, while in colder, snowy locations, windstorms can be the cause of blizzards. The United States Weather Service checks for windstorms over 38 miles per hour for 3 hours or longer to see if they need to issue a blizzard warning, as this is often one of the first signs. Wind on other planets is a big issue for space exploration since the conditions on other planets in our solar system are much more chaotic than the conditions on Earth, which makes their wind much stronger. This makes it very hard to explore other planets, let alone live on them. Mars rovers are often decommissioned due to dust storms caused by Martian wind eroding their fragile components and dirtying their solar panels. The wind on Mars is often so powerful it would kill anyone who went there without shelter, and even then it would probably destroy the shelter they make. And Mars has more tame wind conditions than other planets in the solar system. The gas giants like Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune have such violent winds it's basically impossible to send anything over there without it breaking quickly after. So what do we actually do about these strong winds? Well, if you're scared of wind damaging your home, planting windbreaks such as trees and shrubs make your home 60% more protected than placing a wall would. Architects who design tall buildings make their skyscrapers more aerodynamic and sometimes rounder to make it so that the wind doesn't hurt their buildings. And creating cleaning for solar panels will help Martian rovers continue to explore without damage from dust storms. Anyways, that's pretty much all I have to talk about wind, so bye, thank you for watching.